If you are wondering if Google Pixel 11 supports power sharing, then the answer is partially yes. Unfortunately, reverse wireless charging, so wireless power sharing, is not supported on Google Pixel 11. And the only way to actually share the battery with another device is by using a cable. So we have reverse wired charging. So you can use USB-C to USB-C cable to connect your Google Pixel 11 to another smartphone, or a similar cable that just fits both your Google Pixel 11 and the other smartphone. And that other device can be actually a smartphone, it can be a Bluetooth device, and anything else that can be charged via USB. And in order to make it work, you just have to connect your Google Pixel 11 to that other device. And there we go, you should start charging that other device straight away. However, if you connect your Google Pixel 11 to another smartphone, then most likely your Google Pixel 11 is going to be charged instead of charging. I mean, it may happen, it happens sometimes. So in order to fix this, in order to actually charge that other device with your Pixel 11, you need to go to notifications and search for charging this device via USB notification, and then tap on it to go to USB preferences. And here you want to enable this option here, charge connected device. And there we go, now I am actually charging my other device with Google Pixel 11. Leave a like and subscribe.